Hi, I'm Craig. Welcome to the battery shop. The 12-volt battery in this 2012 Toyota Camry Hybrid is located right here in the back of the vehicle. It's fairly easy to get to, but before we begin, check with your manufacturer's step-by-step instructions to make sure you're familiar with the project, you have everything you need, you don't forget anything, and you can safely and efficiently replace the battery in this vehicle. Here's how it's done. We are using a memory saver to keep the computer's memories alive while replacing the battery. The first step is to remove the luggage trim service hole cover. With gloves and safety glasses on, the next step is to loosen the fastener for the negative battery cable. You'll need a 10mm wrench for that. And remove the negative battery cable from the negative battery terminal and set it off to the side. Then loosen the fastener for the positive battery cable, again using your 10mm wrench. And remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal. Replace the cap and set the cable off to the side, making sure not to touch any metal parts of the vehicle. Now we can remove the fasteners for the battery's hold-down clamp. You'll need a 10mm wrench for that. And then remove the clamp. Next, remove the battery's vent hose from the side of the battery. A screwdriver can help with this. Because it's a keyed fitting, don't twist the elbow. Pull straight back. Now we can remove the old battery and install the replacement battery. The next step is to reinstall the battery's vent hose into the side of the battery. Be sure to push straight into the keyed slot. It's always a good idea to clean up any corrosion on your battery's terminals. And cable connections. Now we can reinstall the battery's hold-down clamp and tighten the fasteners. The next step is to open the protective cap and reinstall the positive battery cable onto the positive battery terminal. But don't pound these clamps on, as that can cause internal battery damage. And tighten the fastener. And then reinstall the negative battery cable onto the negative battery terminal and tighten the fastener. Finally, replace the luggage trim service hole cover, and we're done. Many late model vehicles have to have their replacement battery registered or coded with the vehicle's battery management system. Refer to the service and repair manual for your vehicle to see if this needs to be done. If so, check out our videos on how to do this. The links to them are in the video's description below.